I'm from Asia. Actually, I joined Midastra, and today, alhamdulillah, I passed my exam. I hope everyone, inshallah, they will pass as well their exam. Actually, I've joined Midastra, and alhamdulillah, it was a blessing for me to join here. And Dr. Sarah, she's a wonderful in person, and also she's a great teacher. I don't know what to say, a lot of feelings inside me, but actually it was really great experience. This is my first attempt to have this exam, and also I haven't joined any other academy or any other course or anything else. So also I'm very thankful for Dr. Awan, Dr. Mubashir, and everyone helping me to alhamdulillah to just pass this exam, and also my colleagues who helped me a lot. Actually, Dr. Sarah, she let us to feel that Midastra is our home, and here is also our family. And alhamdulillah, today I have passed my exam, and I felt that I have family here as well to celebrate with me. So I do recommend coming to Midastra. One more thing I want to just tell you about the mock here is really it's similar to the exam. You will have the simulator like the exam as well. English simulator, and also Dr. Sarah and Dr. Aman, they are the one who make the scores and everything. So I mean, they mark this exam. I do recommend everyone to come to Midastra. It's really helpful, and alhamdulillah that I came here at the start. It was really blessing for me to just start here. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate that everyone helped me here and everything. Thank you so much, alhamdulillah, and I hope everyone also will pass, and thank you. Bye bye.